Let us worship the Lord this evening. Let us praise His holy name. He is a God who controls the heavens, the seas, who controls the universe, who controls everything. He is our maker. He is our creator. He is the everlasting God. He is holy. He is the Alpha and the Omega. He is our Father in heaven, and we are His children. Let us praise His name in the midst of calamities, in the midst of fears. Let us worship the Lord. And I believe as we worship Him, your tears will turn into joy, your sorrows into laughter. Let us worship the Lord, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. His name is greater than any storms. His name is greater than any problem. Let us worship Him. Because the Word of God says, he who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in His presence, shall abide in His place, in His hiding place. Ta bo shong ke chakari jong bo kli tam he un yo ye ne apo ke jingkha jong bo non bol baro kum tanga ong shapang utrai long ke chakari jong a ka kut jong a ublai ha bang shania anam shapting ye ke jing tre men mien anam shapting ye ke ki knam ke beher men sni lemni ta ke jing yap khlam ka ba ya ha ka ba dum lemni ya ke jing penjat ka ba penjat men sni. You are my hiding place. You are my hiding place. You always fills my life with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, and I'll trust in you. I'll trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. I'll trust in you. I'll trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. You are my hiding place. Yes, Lord. You are my hiding place. Oh, you are my hiding place. Oh, you are my hiding place. Oh, you are my hiding place. You always fills my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I'll trust in you. Oh, I'll trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. He gives strength to the feeble. He gives power to those who are weak. Yes, the Lord will strengthen you. The Lord will empower you as you trust in Him. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not in your own understanding. Just trust in the Lord. Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord and whose trust is in the Lord, says your word, oh Lord. Oh, we just trust in you. We trust, Lord, in your loving care. We trust in your mercy. We trust, Lord, in your power. We trust in your word. We trust, Lord, in your promises. You are my hiding place. You always fills my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I'll trust in you. I'll trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. I'll trust in you. I'll trust in you. You are my shepherd. I'll not lack of anything. Whenever I am afraid, I'll trust in you. Even though if I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, says your word, O Lord. Yes, Lord, you give charge to your angels. You command your angels to watch and protect over us. All our ways, in all our ways. We trust in you, O Lord. We trust in your name. We trust in your word, Lord. Hallelujah. Whenever I am afraid, I'll trust in you. You are my hiding place. My heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I'll trust in you. You are my strength.
trust in